Next, Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. So in this also aldehydes gives, acetaldehyde gives ethane and acetone. It reduces it to propane. Okay. But here reagent is different. Acetaldehyde. First it undergoes reaction with hydrazine. Okay. And it converts into acetaldehyde hydrazone. So acetaldehyde hydrazone is intermediate here. So this is hydrazine. With hydrazine, first we get hydrazone, acetaldehyde, hydrazone, and acetaldehyde hydrazone in presence of potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol. It forms ethane. Okay, along with the formation of N2, ethane. So acetaldehyde forms ethane. If acetone is there, so acetone forms propane. Acetone with hydrazine. First we get acetone hydrazone. Acetone hydrazone. Acetone hydrazone in presence of potassium hydroxide and ethylene glycol converts into propane. Reduce it to propane. So this is Wolff-Kishner reduction reaction. So acetaldehyde forms intermediate acetaldehyde hydrazone when reacts with the hydrazine, and finally gives ethane in presence of KOH and ethylene glycol. And acetone first case reacts with hydrazine and forms acetone hydrazone, and in presence of KOH and ethylene glycol finally forms propane. Okay. Next, oxidation reaction. Oxidation. So generally, alcohols oxidizes into aldehydes, and aldehydes further gets oxidized into carboxylic acids. So here also, in the oxidation of acetaldehyde, we get acetic acid. Okay. So, in oxidation, acetaldehyde oxidizes into acetic acid. Acetaldehyde, it easily oxidizes into acetic acid. Okay? And here we use oxidizing agents like potassium dichromate and potassium permanganate. And acetone oxidizes into acetic acid again. Acetone also gets oxidizes into acetic acid. In presence of K2Cr2O7 and KMnO4, it oxidizes into acetic acid. Okay? We get carboxylic acid, acetic acid. Okay? Next. Next, oxidation with the Tollens reagent. So a tolerance reagent is ammonical silver nitrate solution. Ammonical silver nitrate solution is called as tolerance reagent. If we add few drops of tolerance reagent to aldehyde. So for example, acetaldehyde is there. If you add tolerance reagent to this, we'll get formation of silver mirror on the walls of test tube on heating. Okay. After the addition of tolerance reagent, we have to heat the solution and we will observe formation of silver mirror inside the walls of the test tube. Okay. So only aldehydes respond to this test and ketones does not respond to this test. Okay. So acetaldehyde gives silver mirror with the tolerance reagent. Acetone does not respond to tolerance reagent. So acetone does not respond to tolerance reagent. Okay. Next, failing solution. Oxidation with failing solution. So here failing solution, that is mixture of copper sulfate solution and Rochelle salt solution. Rochelle salt which is dissolved in sodium hydroxide. Here Rochelle salt, that is sodium potassium tartrate salt. Rochelle salt is sodium potassium tartrate salt. Okay, which gets dissolved in sodium hydroxide. This mixture is called failing solution. Aldehydes with the addition of failing solution on heating gives red color precipitate. We will get red color precipitate of cuprous oxide. Okay. Whereas ketones does not respond to this test. Okay. So acetone does not respond to failings solution. Okay, there is no reaction with acetone for both the tolerance and failings solution. So here aldehydes, only aldehydes. Aldehydes respond to tolerance reagent and failings reagent. With the tolerance reagent form silver mirror and failings reagent gives red color precipitate. Okay.